Barclays hires Lazard veteran Rossman for Activism protection. New York Barclays plc has hired veteran Lazard NYSE, Laz banker Jim Rossman as its international head of shareholder advisory. Human beings familiar with the problem stated on Wednesday. The circulate comes as the British financial institution expands its investment banking franchise and as company customers increasingly are trying to find advice on how to integrate environmental, social and governance troubles and protect themselves in opposition to activist investors searching for spin-offs or corporation income. Rossman, who spent greater than a decade at Lazard, is anticipated to absorb the placement later this year and be based totally in New York. He will file to Barclays co-heads of worldwide mergers and acquisitions, Gary Posternak and Ihsan S. Saeed. At Lazard, Rossman co-headed capital markets advisory with Mary Ann Dignan and constructed a group of bankers in New York and Paris who worked on distinguished activist situations along with Carl Icahn's recent plan to take over application Southwest Gas NYSE, SWX Holdings. Barclays, Lon, BARC, and Lazard declined to remark. First said that Rossman have been employed. Corporations are feeling more warmness from investors, specifically folks who attention on environmental, social and governance ESG troubles with executive pay, range and board composition all under extra scrutiny. Revisions to a corporate ballot rule and the way investors vote annually on who sits on a corporation's board, GovPay and other problems are visible to make it less complicated for activists to press their case towards groups that may result in a leap in campaigns. Rossman started out his profession at regulation company Cleary Gottlieb and then moved to Lehman Brothers. Barclays offered Lehman after it filed for financial disaster.